Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential details, zoo hours and panda feeding times so you time your visit right. Once done, note the nearest metro line and exit number. This avoids costly detours. Make sure you have the zoo name and address written in Chinese for taxis. Pack a small power bank and some cash for entry or snacks. Digital payments can fail. Finally, set a meeting point and a rough ETA with companions so everyone converges smoothly at the entrance. You travel by metro to the station you pre-selected. It's the fastest option during peak hours. Once you exit, follow signs or use the offline map to walk to the zoo entrance. Buy a ticket or use your mobile pass, then keep the receipt handy in case of re-entry. After passing security, ask staff or volunteers immediately where the panda enclosure is. They'll often direct you to the shortest path. Move briskly, but calmly to avoid long crowds and preserve your viewing window. You approach the panda area and choose a spot that's not blocking others. Pandas respond poorly to noise, so keep your voice low. Once positioned, scan for activity. Pandas are most visible around feeding or keeper talks. If they are off exhibit, read the staff notice boards or ask staff for the temporary location. Sometimes animals are moved for health checks. For photos, avoid flash and use steady framing. If you still can't find the panda, call the zoo info desk and they'll advise.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.